Hi everyone. In this video, we're going to be talking about anger, the big emotions that get into us, and sometimes when we feel just this uncontrollable feeling of anger, and we can't we just ugh, and we can't seem to let go of it in a moment, and why it happens. So over time, I have refined my understanding of anger. And a few years ago, I remember thinking that anger is a way of wanting to control a situation. When we feel completely out of control of a situation, we want to control it. But what is underneath that anger is sadness. Like sadness that I'm not able to figure this out, sadness that I'm not able to manage the situation in the way that I want to, whatever that is. There's sadness, there's some amount of sadness that this person doesn't love me. So yeah, that was the way I used to handle things. Anytime I would feel anger, I would be like, okay, what is the sadness underneath it? Let me go to the sadness underneath it. Now I have refined it a little bit, and I wanted to share that with you. It's not just simply about sadness. It is about sadness, but mostly it always, almost like every time I'm feeling that, it's boiled down to not anger at a good situation. I'm not talking about good anger where somebody is hurting somebody else and we're like, no, that we're not going to do that. But that's more controlled anger. We're not like out of control. We're not feeling out of control in that situation. So um, every time I have noticed now, I have gone deeper and deeper and deeper in my understanding of anger. So every time I've noticed myself getting angry, it has mostly been because I am feeling unloved. I am feeling unworthy. This person did not do something for me. This person ignored me, let's say. I asked for something, this person ignored me. Or I was expecting something and this person didn't give it to me. And I feel angry. And so it's like, okay, why am I feeling angry? It's because I feel disrespected. What does that mean? That means that this person did not treat me with as much worth as I believe I should have, or as I believe that they should have treated me. They treated me with less worth than I think I should be treated as. What does that mean? If I am unworthy, it means okay, so they're saying that I'm unworthy. So what I'm doing is I am responding to that. I'm a response to the world around me, to the environment around me by saying, yes, you're right, I am unworthy, but I don't want to be unworthy. I don't want to feel unworthy. That's my ego coming up. I don't want to be unworthy. So I'm going to say, hey, don't treat me like I'm unworthy, you know. So I'm forcing my opinions on the other person. The person is saying, he's saying clearly, let's say he or she is saying very clearly, I consider you unworthy of this, of a response. I'm sending a text and the person isn't responding. I'm considering you unworthy of a response. And or I'm considering you unworthy of my time, or whatever it is. So that person is communicating that very clearly in that moment. They might have their own many reasons, right? Like there's a ton going on. It's not that they don't care about you or they're not considering you worthy, but in that moment, that's what the communication is, that in this moment I am not considering you worthy of a response. And I am taking that to be like, oh my goodness, I am not worthy of a response. So this really ties into the humility. It's so beautiful when you really start to listen to understand. It's like, what have I been doing all my life? Being angry. Why? So it dissipates quickly. Like the anger still comes, but like I had a little bit of an anger moment which prompted this video, and it literally lasted 30 seconds, you know. And I was able to get to this very quickly. I was like, oof. So that person is doing something, and I say, oh, I am unworthy. And then I am feeling unworthy, and that's why my ego is like, nope, I can't be unworthy. Nope, that's not possible. I am not unworthy. I am something. I'm good at this and that. And like, look at me, and I'm all of this. And in that moment, why is the ego kicking up like that? Is because I am feeling the underneath sadness part now comes in, The underneath sadness part is, I am unloved. If I'm not worthy, I'm not loved. So all we need to do is understand that what this person did is their choice. I don't have to be a response to them, to the world. I can believe that I am worthy, whether they believe I'm worthy or not. What is leadership? I can lead myself and I can say, I consider myself worthy. Whatever the rest of the world says, even if the entire world says that I'm not worthy, I can believe that I'm worthy. And that's all leadership is. Leadership is I make a decision about who I am and what I am, and the world follows. The world will follow. So the world kind of tests you, you know. If you, the world will throw things at you. And if you follow what the world is saying, if you respond to that, like, if you're doing something and you're doing something and you're doing something and you're not succeeding and you stop, because the world has not accepted you as as an expert in whatever field you're doing and whatever you're trying to do. The world has not accepted you, so you stop accepting you also. Okay, the world says I'm not good enough, so I'm not good enough. Then the world was testing you. The world was not saying necessarily that you are not good enough. The world was testing you to see, do you have conviction in what you're saying? Because the world will follow conviction. It will follow confidence. It will not follow weakness. So if you are weak and you give up, then the world will be like, okay, you aren't strong enough. You are not worthy of me following you. I want to follow somebody strong because I want to become strong. The whole point of me following you would be so that I feel that I can also do it, so that I can uncover the strength within me. And if you don't have the strength within you, how can I expect that you will help me uncover the strength within me? So, yeah. So then, if you're a leader and if you just keep going, it doesn't matter if the world follows you or not. If it doesn't matter if the world agrees with you or not, you just keep going. Eventually, the world will most likely follow. Whether they follow or not doesn't matter. But eventually, almost certainly, almost inevitably, almost invariably, the world will follow because you will have that conviction within yourself. And the world needs the strength so that they can uncover the strength within themselves. That's the whole point. Everybody wants to be able to uncover the strength within themselves because everybody knows that they're strong. How do they know they're strong? If you say to a person, if somebody says, "Oh, I'm too weak, I can't do this," and you say, "Oh yeah, you're right, you can't do this, you are too weak," then the person will be like, "Hey, that's not true. I mean, I can do this." That, because we all know it's in those moments where we uncover that. Like, that's actually a very good moment because it's reminding us, yes, I can do it. You know? Yeah. Okay. So, yeah, that's it for this video. Stay strong. And if when you're feeling anger, understand that it's the other person's thing. Whatever they think, whatever they do is completely on them. It's not on you. You are an individual. You decide who you are. You decide who you are. This is so powerful. This is not, you decide who you are. You decide, I can do things. I do have these skills. I do have, I can't fly. I know I can't fly. But I know that I have a lot of skills. I know I've been given a lot of gifts from God. And so I'm not going to let the world tell me that I don't have those gifts. Because in that way, I'm not only insulting myself, I'm insulting God also because He's like, yeah. Okay. So that's it for this video. Stay strong. And anytime you're feeling anger, just put a mirror on them and say, this is on you. This is your belief system, whether it's about me or whatever. This is your belief system, and I am not taking on that identity. I'm not taking on that belief system of yours about me. I'm not taking that on. I choose who I am. I'm taking on my decisions. Okay, that's it for this video. Radhe Radhe.